Families, I want to share with you some strategies that we're using to teach addition in second grade. I know that the way our children add is a lot different from the way that we grew up adding, and so in order for you not to be confused and to be able to help them with their homework at home, I want to share these two strategies with you. This is going to be called the Draw Quick 10 strategy and the Break Apart strategy. And both of these are based on units of 10. It's easy to add from 10, so that's where we're going to work towards making something into 10 to make it easier to add. So we're going to use the same problem for both strategies. And the first one's called Draw Quick 10. So in Draw Quick 10, let me switch sides. In Draw Quick 10, we're going to very quickly draw 87 using base 10. So our sticks represent 10s and our circles represent 1s. Ready? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 10s represents the 80 in 87. Now we're going to draw 7 1s, and I find it easier to do groups of 5 on this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we have quickly drawn 87. Now we just need to add our 6. I'm going to start by making my 1s for my 6 right here because I want to finish this out and make this a group of 10. I'm also going to use an X as a different symbol since I'm adding a different add-in, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My blue X's represent my 6 1s that I'm adding. Now when I look at it, I see that this makes a complete group of 10. And counting 10s is easy. Ready? Let's count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Plus my 3 extra equals, this quick 10 method has helped me to see that 87 plus 6 is the same as 90 plus 3. So 87 plus 6 equals 93. Many students like this way because it's very visual. Here's another way to do it. This is called the break apart method. All right. So for our break apart method, we're just going to write our problem again. 87 plus 6. Okay? We want to break apart our second add-in. Anytime we do this, this represents what we call a number bond. And a number bond just means that these two add up to equal what's on top. Now we're going to do a little what makes 10. So we've been working very hard about what makes 10. 6 plus what makes 10. 3 plus what makes 10. So in this one, I'm going to look at my ones place right here. And in my ones place, I see a 7. And so I think to myself, what plus 7 makes 10? Well, I know that 7 plus 3 makes 10. So I want to pull a 3 out. And now, looking at my number bond, I've got to think, what plus 3 would equal 6? Well, I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay? So now I have created a problem that's easier to solve. 87 plus 3 more gives me 90. Let me do it over here. Plus my 3 extras equals 93. So just like before, I can see that 87 plus 6 is equal to 90 plus 3. Our answers are going to be the same. If your child comes home and they have some homework and they're having difficulty adding some bigger numbers, these are two strategies that you can try at home.